Every few months, Sara and her family flies over from the US, land at the airport, and head straight to their own holiday home. Buying a holiday home in Japan isn't just about the listing price. How would she manage her property from overseas? How would she pay utility bills when she didn't have a Japanese bank account? Imagine landing in Japan and instead of heading to a hotel, you're heading to your own holiday home, a quiet mountain retreat, a beachside house, or a condo in a high-rise with amazing cityscape views, your very own base with which to enjoy and explore Japan to its fullest. Today, we want to share the story of one of our clients, Sara from the US. She fell in love with Japan during her yearly trips, and one day she decided, I want a place here, a place I can return to every few months and make it my own. But the first step wasn't choosing a house, it was understanding why she wanted one. Was it a family getaway? A rental which she could rent out when not in use? Or a long-term investment? Each goal requires a different approach and different search criteria. For example, if you wanted a combination of holiday home plus income-producing rental property, this type of property needs to be selected with your potential tenants in mind. Will they be tourists in Japan for their vacation? Then they want a property near prime tourist destinations, not a secluded cabin in the woods far from the airport. Sara wanted a base for the holidays which she could use with her own family, as well as extended family and friends for when they came to Japan. So this helped narrow the search. After much discussion with us regarding the type of lifestyle and types of areas and neighborhoods she liked, we settled on looking for a 3-bedroom condo near the Minatomirai area of Yokohama, a city just south of Tokyo. She chose Minatomirai for its more relaxed pace. Yokohama's mix of old-world charm and a modern waterfront gave her the space Tokyo couldn't, while still offering top-tier shopping, dining, and entertainment, not to mention excellent access to Tokyo City Center and Haneda Airport. Buying a holiday home in Japan isn't just about the listing price. There are monthly building management fees, utility bills, closing costs, insurance, property tax, and sometimes renovation, especially for older homes. Also, as a non-resident foreign buyer, she was not eligible for a home loan from a Japanese bank. When we broke it all down for Sara, she was surprised, but relieved to have a clear, honest picture. Transparency helps you avoid surprises later. Once she found a home she loved, the buying process began. Japan's property purchase process is very structured. First, making an offer. Then, signing the explanation of important matters in contract. Next, payment of the earnest money deposit. And finally, closing and handover. Yes, foreigners can buy property in Japan with no special visa required. And where needed, we arranged bilingual explanations and translations to ensure transparency. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. There were challenges associated with wiring money internationally. Even one small typo results in your wire transfer getting delayed or even canceled. How would she manage her property from overseas? How would she pay utility bills when she didn't have a Japanese bank account? Who would regularly clear her mailbox of junk mail? There were certain renovations that she wanted done before moving into her new home. How would she coordinate this from abroad and with little Japanese language ability? With guidance from our team, everything came together. Using a multilingual partner on the ground like us that can help you with all of the above is vital in ensuring you have a stress-free holiday home life in Japan. And now, every few months, Sara and her family flies over from the US, land at the airport, and head straight to their own holiday home. No more juggling luggage while they wait to check into a hotel. No more bringing everything from home. No more scrubbing your laundry in the hotel sink. No more eating out for every meal. Their seasonal clothes stay there. Their favorite restaurants know them. It's become their home away from home. And when they're not using it, they lend out their home to friends and family who also want to explore Japan. Buying a holiday home in Japan is more possible and easier than most people think. Whether you dream of mountains, beaches, countryside peace, or the hustle and bustle of the city, the first step is simple. Start exploring. Ask questions. Find out what's possible. Start your journey today. Email us for a free online consultation. You can also download our ebooks, How to Buy a Holiday Home in Japan, or our other ebook, How to Buy a Home in Japan, a complete guide for international buyers.